And just like that, we're back, people. So welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. You already know it's your boy Lord Raphael here again. In today's episode, we'll be headed to a place called Aripo Waterfalls, guys. This is going to be my first time there. Actually, I went to Aripo Basin. I'll put the link to the video there so you can check it out. But today we headed to Aripo Waterfalls. Me and the team, you already know who it is. I don't need to say it, but trail seekers for those of you who don't know. And yeah, we're about to have a fun time today and enjoy ourselves. So without further ado, let's go. Yoop. So guys, a couple minutes into the trail right now, to Aripo Waterfall. We just came through Aripo village, and yeah, this one is just like the mermaid pool. Is an easy trail of 15 to 20 minutes, and yeah, we're almost there. Again, we're almost there, and yeah, I just can't wait to show you all this waterfall. And this is my first time going here, by the way, if I didn't say so before. So yeah, we're almost there. Alright guys, so we just reached Aripo Waterfall. It's just behind me right there. Everybody's pretty much made their way up already. A small group of us. I stayed to the back here as per usual to just, you know, talk to y'all and let y'all know. But we just made it here safe and sound. We made it here pretty quick, I would say. It was just like I said, 15 to 20 minutes long, depending on how fast you're moving and whatnot. And yeah, about to take y'all up inside there and show you all a better look. Apparently this goes straight all the way up, and you can find all these little pools on them right here going straight up the road until I guess the trail runs cool. But look how beautiful these pools are. I had to take my time on these rocks because they are very slippery. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this pool there, guys. Wow. So I'm at the top right now chilling by myself here. Just get all these dope shots for y'all. Y'all have to come here and experience this for yourself. The water is really crystal clear, as you guys can see from the footage that I showed y'all. And yeah, I'm about to take off my clothes, cool off myself, and go and take a little bathe and enjoy myself just like everyone else. So yeah. Guys, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. This is a beautiful location yet again. We at Aripo Falls, like I said, and yeah, not much again to be said. Just closing out the video here for you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dope content from your boy. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. So for that one, I'm making my exit. See you all in the next one. Yep.